opportunity, Your Excellency, to assure the country that, as we indicated yesterday, with the guidance of the party leaders in the two coalitions, we shall embark in that process of dialoguing and talking to each other so that we may resolve the 5 issues that we indicated as the agenda of that committee that we will set up. That, Your Excellency, is not to say that the cost of living is not an issue to the people of Kenya. And indeed, globally, Your Excellency, you know. And I'm glad you just came from the FAO meetings in Italy. You know the challenge of the cost of living is a global problem. And Your Excellency, you also know we all went out to the people of Kenya with manifestos, and our manifesto in Kenya Kwanza, which called or christened the plan, had solid and achievable plans that we indicated we will roll out if we go to government. And we all agreed, Your Excellency, that given an opportunity to implement that plan, we have the know-how, we have the means, and we are capable of changing the tide and bringing down the cost of living. And we appreciate the role of the opposition or the minority in oversighting government to ensure that this government will implement what they went out, or what we went out to the Kenyan people to sell to them, that we shall do when we are government. And we have indicated, Your Excellency, that on the question of the cost of living, we will allow the minority to have all the latitude in line with our laws and the Constitution to criticize, to propose better measures than they think would do better than we are doing, but to never, ever use violence as a means to engage on political issues or on governance issues.